So now the tops of the feet are on the mat. So the backs of the feet are on the mat, and we're curling the toes in towards the mat. So we're gripping into the mat with the toes. Coming up into cobra. And then now we're transitioning from cobra to downward facing dog. So now the toes are curled and we're pressing up and back into downward facing dog. So again, say we go from plank, we lower down into cobra, feet roll over to the backs of the feet, toes are curling in, coming up into your cobra. And if you were transitioning into upward facing dog, for instance, as well, tops of the feet are on the mat, so you're really pressing into the mat with those tops of the feet. And now if you're moving into downward facing dog, you're curling the toes over and you're pressing back into downward facing dog. So a couple of little tips there for transitioning in from one pose to the next and how the feet move